Hey, what's going on? Chad Elio here, CEO and founder of High Ticket Sales Academy, and also the author of the best-selling book, The Book on High Ticket Sales. And I wanted to leave this quick testimonial for Mr. Mike Acker and his team. I personally worked with Mike from a speaking perspective. He helped me really up-level my confidence, and it wasn't just because I was like, hey, already good at speaking, and he just helped me tweak some things. There's a lot more to speaking. I don't think we understand until we get into a place where we realize, like, hey, there's flow to the conversation. There's a reason why you do stuff to open a talk in this certain way to grab your audience attention the right way. And then from there on the back end, really make sure you deliver that message wise and that where it's not too quick. And so just a huge love and appreciation for Mike and again, the team for just really helping me again, like put together a killer talk, but most importantly, really support me and, coaching me through my delivery and all those different pieces. It really helps a ton from that perspective. And, reason I reached out to Mike was because I had a crazy speaking opportunity where I was actually on stage with over 2,000 people. And I had people like Gary Vee with me on that stage and just many big names. And it was just something where I was like, cool, I don't want to look like I'm an amateur up there. So again, super appreciative for Mike and the team and what you've done to help me not only up level my speaking, but just give me more confidence on that stage. So shout out again. Couldn't obviously have done it without you guys.